Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Now, I'm not going to say that tonight's meal is another entry into our Wide World of Food series.
If you say so.
It does have Italian influences, but I'm not going to claim it to be Italian.
You sure?
I don't want to get banned from the country. I want to go there sometime.
Road trip! Take it off!
What we are making is the absolute definition of a comfort food to me. Meat in a creamy sauce over rice. Today we are making garlic butter chicken with Parmesan rice. Now the Parmesan rice is the longest leg to this, so we'll get that started first. In my trusty Ninja Foodie here, I'm going to make it. You can make it in your Instant Pot, rice cooker, on the stove, however you normally make rice. I'm not going to tell you how to make rice. I'm going to tell you how to make rice in a Ninja Foodie. You have to figure it out yourself for all those others. So, into my foodie goes 3 cups of rice and 4.5 cups of liquid. I am using chicken broth. So, easy. Shut the lid. Verify vent is in seal position. Lock the lid. Turn the silly thing on. High pressure, 2 minutes. Verify we're set up for natural release because we need a 10-minute natural release. And we are ready to go. All right, whew. The long part's over. Not necessarily the hard part, but the long part. So, now I am going to take some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can season these with salt and pepper if you wish. I have some Cattleman's Grill Italiano seasoning here. I'm going to use that. And we're also going to use that later in the recipe instead of Italian seasoning. But if you don't have this, you can get it from atbbq.com, all things barbecue. That's where we get ours from. But if you don't have that, you can use salt and pepper on this and Italian seasoning for the later step. Get both sides seasoned up. Now we shall head over to the stove. All right, in my big ass skillet, I am going to put about 4 tablespoons of olive oil and get that heated up. Once we start to see that shimmer, chicken goes in. I'm going to brown it on each side for about 4 minutes each. After about 4 minutes, give them a flip. And this is when I tell you, as always, loyal viewers, all of the ingredients, their amounts and the directions are down below in the description section. Hey, what's your favorite comfort food? Why don't you leave us a comment and let us know? When you're at it, hit that like button. You know, we get quite a few views, and the majority of you are not subscribers. Hey, live a little. Hit that button. We'd appreciate it.
Hit it.
Push it.
Hit it! Push it!
Hit it.
Once you assess your chicken's about 90% done, time to get it out, set it aside. Now we're going to melt an entire stick of butter in here. Use this opportunity to get any fond off the bottom of the pan. Then goes in our minced garlic and a few thyme sprigs. We're going to cook those for about a minute until it gets good and aromatic. All right, then goes your chicken broth and your Italian seasoning. We're going to let that come to a boil and simmer for about 3 or 4 minutes. All right, at this point, there's a ton of options here. You can take out your thyme. You got to do that no matter what you do. Then you can add your heavy cream, get it mixed up, lower the heat, get your chicken back in there, let those flavors meld, and voila, you're done. Or you can do what we're doing. So out comes the thyme. And in goes about 4 cups of baby spinach, fresh. We're going to stir that in until it wilts. Now it looks like a crazy big amount, but it's going to cook down quite a bit. Once that's cooked down a pretty good amount, then I'm going to add 2 7-ounce cans of sliced mushrooms. Again, totally optional. You do you. You could use fresh mushrooms if you wish. It's just, to me, the texture of the canned mushrooms is going to go great with this. All right, I'm happy with that. I'm going to take my heat down to medium-low. I'm going to add about 3/4 cup of heavy cream. Again, this is optional. I just like it creamy.
Creamy?
Wow, my God, so creamy.
Oh.
Once that cream's good and incorporated, return the chicken to the pot. And any juices. That stuff's gold, don't waste it. All right, we're gonna let that chicken cook the rest of the way and those flavors to meld. Now over to the rice. All right, let's make that Parmesan rice. When it's still good and hot, we're gonna add our 6 tablespoons of butter, a good pinch of salt and pepper, and then a 1.5 cups of grated Parmesan cheese. We'll get that all mixed up. Oh, we want it to be purdy, so we're going to add some minced up parsley. We'll save a little bit to garnish the dishes. All right, there we go. It's all done but the judgment. We'll see you then. All right, the simmering is done. Let's get some judgment from the director. Greetings, director.
Hello. Very good. I like it a lot.
Good.
Very good flavor.
Can you tell, I know it's all mixed together, the Parmesan rice, can you tell how that is? It came out well?
Came out very well.
Good. That was my first shot at Parmesan rice. All right, there you go. I have pleased the director. She's making noises, so that's a good thing. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. And until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.
Wow.
Oh, now you give a wow after I'm done.
My mouth's empty now.